Leaders don't change minds with speeches. They change them in conversations, the short, charged, often awkward ones where tone matters more than title. Here are 3 real moments that show how language quietly shapes leadership. No names. Just lessons. 1. The yes that meant no. A British operations head ended every meeting with, "Are we all aligned?" His team, mostly East Asian engineers, nodded politely. 3 months later, nothing had moved. When I joined, I asked one of them privately, "What does alignment mean to you?" He said, "It means we understand. Not that we agree." The leader had taken agreement as consent. The team had given understanding as respect. Once he began saying, "Let's check what we each took from this," meetings got shorter and projects faster. Leadership shifted from assumption to verification. Lesson: clarity isn't control. It's care made visible. 2. The email that broke trust. A German auditor sent a French colleague a long, detailed email highlighting missing data. Tone: exact, polite, firm. The reply came hours later: "Your tone is unacceptable." They weren't arguing facts, they were clashing logics. For the German, detail meant responsibility. For the French, it sounded like accusation. We rebuilt the bridge with one phrase: "I'm flagging this so we protect the client together." Same message, shared logic. It turned compliance into collaboration. Lesson: the language of leadership is not grammar, it's framing. 3. The silence that spoke volumes. During a multinational crisis call, a Japanese manager said nothing for 20 minutes. The American chair finally asked, "Kenji, are you still there?" He replied, "Yes. I was thinking about your proposal." That pause wasn't avoidance, it was respect. He didn't interrupt because he was processing, giving the idea dignity. After learning this, the chair began scheduling quiet minutes in every call, time for reflection before decisions. Output rose, tension dropped. Lesson: space is also speech. Leadership isn't fluent because it's English. It's fluent because it's aware. Each of these moments turned once the leader stopped translating words and started translating logic, the foundation of the MC3 method, where cultural awareness becomes operational skill. Ask yourself, which conversations in your week change direction, and why? If you can answer that, you're already leading in more than one language.